Hi, welcome back to Cook&Fly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I want to share with you how we do vegan Nutella. Nutella is very easy to make. It will take you perhaps 10 minutes and then it will last you, well, that depends on you because it could last you for a day or could last you for a month. Depends on how much you like Nutella. What we're gonna need for Nutella is only hazelnut, some raw sugar, brown sugar if possible, and some organic cocoa powder. And that's it. So now we're gonna start by roasting our Nutella. Oops. So we're gonna start by putting our hazelnut in the oven for around 5 minutes. You can do it at like 185 or 190 degrees. And so in the meantime, we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients in our blender, mixer, whatever you're using. Sugar, I'm gonna add perhaps 1.5 spoons and 1 big spoon of cocoa as well, or 2 spoons if your spoon is not too big. Okay, so these babies are ready and really hot. And then what we're gonna do now is just quickly blend it, and then you'll see how the magic happens. Alright, so you see now it's all like powder. Just be patient and keep blending until it becomes Nutella. I want you to have a look. It's almost there. It's becoming like a paste now. So all you have to do is just keep blending. Now look at this. It's really shiny and it's obviously ready. It depends on how smooth you want it. You can keep on blending, or you can just leave it like that. Alright, so it's completely ready. I want you to have a look at this. It looks so yummy. It's cruelty-free, free from palm oil, and so it's completely vegan. And if you like the recipe, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can hit the like button, or you can just share it with your friends. And well, that's it for today, and I will see you next week.